Ta-da! Here is our beautiful rainbow feast, made with love by me and my best friends.
In a kitchen bright and grand, Chef Rainbow stirs with his happy hand. Red tomatoes,
Wow, look at you
yellow
go,
corn.
little one.
A
That was a
colorful
perfect
feast
bounce.
is being
You are the most playful
born.
tomato
Cook,
ever.
cook, cook, mix it up. Red and yellow in the cup. Cook, cook,
There you
cook,
go,
stir
my
it right.
corn
Colors
star.
dancing, oh what a sight. Green peas hopping in the pot. Purple grapes, a tasty lot. Blueberries bounce, orange peels spin. Chef claps his hands with a happy grin. Cook, 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 mix it up. Red and yellow in the cup. Cook, 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 stir it right. Colors dancing, oh what a sight. Pink frosting swirls up
Let's cook up
so
something
high, white
magical.
clouds of
Are you ready to
sugar
have some fun?
drifting by.
It is
Brown
time to
chocolate